Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see an interesting recipe, veggie bread toast recipe. The ingredients needed for this are salt, pepper powder, red chili powder, jeera powder or cumin seed powder, along with chili flakes, oregano seasoning, and a mix of chopped onions, tomatoes, sweet corns. Add half teaspoon of vinegar. You can add other vegetables like carrot also. Little, it will give sweet taste. And add half teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want it to be spicy, you can add half tablespoon. Add the cumin seed powder or jeera powder and salt to taste, as well as pepper powder. It depends upon the spicy level you need. So add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. At the end you add the oregano seasoning, half teaspoon of oregano seasoning. Mix it well. Let the pieces be the way it has been cut, don't crush it. Keep the bread slices on a plate and place the veggies. Don't overload it, just a single layer. Finally top it with cheese. Spread it across evenly, so when it melts it will be very juicy and tasty. Now place it in the microwave for 9 to 10 minutes. If you don't have microwave, you can keep it on a tawa and close it and cook it. Now the veggie bread toast is ready. Enjoy it and love it.
If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.